Lost boarding pass.
Good evening. How can I help you?
I lost my boarding pass.
Do not worry. We can help you.
Thank you. I am very nervous.
What is your destination today?
I am flying to Dubai.
What is your full name?
My name is Lily Brown.
May I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Okay,
I found your booking in the system.
that is great news.
What time did you lose the pass?
Maybe 10 minutes ago, near the coffee shop?
I see.
I looked everywhere.
It happens sometimes.
I feel silly now.
No problem. Many people do this.
Really?
Yes, you are not alone.
That makes me feel better.
I can print a new boarding pass for you.
Thank you so much.
Here it is. Please keep it safe this time.
I will hold it tightly now.
Your gate is number 12.
How far is it?
About 5 minutes from here.
I will go now.
Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you for your kindness. Returning address.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. I want to return this dress.
I am sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
It is too small for me.
I understand. Did you try it at home?
Yes, I tried it this morning.
Do you have the receipt?
No, I am sorry. I cannot find it.
That is okay. Do you remember when you bought it?
Yes, I bought it 3 days ago.
That is fine. Did you pay by card or cash?
I paid by card.
Great. I can check it in our system.
Thank you so much.
Please wait a moment.
Sure.
Yes, I found your purchase.
That is good.
The return time is 7 days, so it is fine.
I'm happy to hear that.
Would you like a refund or another size?
I would like another size, please.
No problem. What size do you need?
One size bigger.
Let me check the shelf.
Thank you.
Yes, we have it in blue and red.
I like the blue one.
Good choice. Here it is.
Can I see it?
Of course.
It looks nice.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is there.
I will be back soon.
Take your time.
I tried it. It fits well now.
Wonderful.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a lovely day.
A windy day in the city.
Wow, the wind is very strong today.
Yes, my hair is going everywhere.
Mine too.
Be careful with your hat.
Oh no, it almost flew away.
Hold it tight.
The trees are moving a lot.
Yes, and the leaves are flying in the street.
It feels cold too.
I should wear a warmer jacket next time.
Do you want to go inside a cafe?
That sounds nice.
Walking is hard in this wind.
Yes, I can hardly move forward.
Look at that newspaper. It is flying.
It is faster than us.
The sky looks gray today.
Maybe it will rain soon.
I hope not.
Did you bring an umbrella?
No, I forgot it at home.
Same here.
We were not ready today.
Not at all.
The city looks different in this weather.
Yes, it feels busy and wild.
Let us cross the road carefully.
Good idea. The wind is pushing me.
Here comes the cafe.
Great. Warm coffee will help us.
Let us go inside quickly.
Yes, before the wind takes us away. Overweight luggage at the airport.
Good morning. Passport and ticket, please.
Good morning. Here they are.
Thank you. Please put your luggage on the scale.
Sure.
Your bag is overweight.
Oh no, really?
Yes, the limit is 55 pounds.
How much does my bag weigh?
It is 60 pounds.
5 pounds extra. That is a lot.
Yes, you have 2 choices.
What are they?
You can pay an extra fee or remove some items.
I will pay the extra fee.
That is fine.
How much is the fee?
It is $20.
Okay, I can pay by card.
Great. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment approved.
Good.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Please place your bag on the belt now.
Here you go.
Perfect. Everything is ready now.
Great.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning. What kind of coffee do you want?
What do you have today?
We have black coffee, latte, cappuccino, and iced coffee.
I think I want a latte.
Great choice. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like hot or warm?
Hot, please.
Do you want sugar in it?
Yes, 1 spoon of sugar.
Anything else for your order?
Yes, 1 chocolate muffin, too.
Fresh muffin today. Very soft and tasty.
Then I must try it.
Good idea. Anything more?
No, that is all.
Your total is $5.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
How long will it take?
Only 2 minutes.
Nice. Your cafe looks very clean.
Thank you. We clean it every morning.
That is good service.
Here is your latte.
It smells great.
And here is your muffin.
Perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy your coffee and have a nice day.
Thank you. See you again soon.
We will be happy to see you again.